Leonard Bernstein conducting the London Symphony Orchestra in 1967.
You must watch. It's so free. It's got to be like one person singing his heart out. And you're playing like an exercise.
F, please.
The moral is don't stop unless you really have something to say.
Well, this is what I heard. Maybe it was wrong.
Yeah, but I mean, it happens with young conductors all the time, and it's nothing to be ashamed of.
No.
I was a young conductor too, so I can speak from experience that there are times when you get confused or lost, or you're not sure if it's the first time or the second time, or is this the G major one or the B flat, and so you stop. But very rarely do you say, I stopped because I mixed up. That would be wonderful.
Well,
and all these kids here will love you if you say that.
Well,
but if you invent something, the reason to stop, which covers up the truth, they are also very sensitive. We all get it, we kids down here.
No, when I mix
We
up...
know when you're bullshitting us. All right.
Okay.
It doesn't matter, nobody knows, you know, who can hear the words anyway. The main thing is to hear high, do an octave higher. Hey! And at least we know you're singing, otherwise there's no way. The faith that is. Okay, the same thing, one more time. This is always impossible. Nobody can be heard in this. 5 before 14. Yeah, the same place.
We have a new member of the orchestra. Rudiger is playing. So we have two triangles. Now, let me hear taking it up from two triangles. One. No, it has to be taking it up. The same rhythm that they've been playing. Everybody plays so well. Taking it up. All right. One. It's better. It's a little better. Should really be 15 triangles going. Taking it up, but we can't do that. We're lucky to have two. Can you make it somehow more rhythmic so it's not just a clink? So it's taking it up. I don't know where, but play higher on the triangle. Or take it up. I'm not a triangle specialist. One. No, it sounds like the doorbell. I mean, it just could be anything. Just, taking it up. I don't know how to tell you to do it, but do it. One. Yeah, it's worse. It's worse. Well, congratulations.